Today, we're going to talk about how to auto resize rows and columns in Excel. All right, so today we're going to talk about how to auto resize rows and columns in Excel using IronXL in C#. So I've already installed the IronXL library, and I use the NuGet package manager to do so. So go ahead and do that if you haven't. Once again, we always recommend the latest version for optimal performance. So let's jump right into the program CS file here and check out the code. So first and foremost, you'd expect that we import the IronXL namespace. Once that's sorted, we load an existing Excel spreadsheet, in this case, one that contains employee data. Now let's tackle resizing. We start off by auto resizing row 1. The auto size row method does all the work for us, and that fits the row height to the content. Next, we auto resize column A for the first columns in the Excel. Similar to the rows, the auto size column method adjusts the column width to fit the content. And then finally, we save these changes into a new Excel file named autoresize.xlsx. So everything looks good. Let's go ahead and run the project. So the project executed without a hitch, and let's check out the resulting Excel file. So here on the side of the screen, you can see that both the row and the column have been auto resized. And this adjusts the row height and column width to fit the content, and that gets rid of all unnecessary white space or clipped text. And then here on the other side, you can see the original Excel file for comparison. And you notice how much cleaner and organized the auto resize version looks. It's beautiful. It really just makes it a lot more readable. The presentation is much more optimal and doesn't really require any manual adjustments after that. All right, that wraps up today's tutorial. We hope that you found it helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to throw them down in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you guys. And as always, we ask you to like and subscribe if you're loving what we're doing. And if you haven't checked out the software yet, which I just can't believe at this point, you need to check it out. We have a trial subscription down below, and you're going to thank me afterwards.